Hi guys, welcome to another Osprey Productions video. Today I'm going to show you the location and how to replace and remove the battery on a 2010 KLR650. I'll also point out the fuse box location if you ever need to change one of the blown fuses. Here we go. Right, now we need to remove our seat by using our 10mm and 8mm spanner. First off, use the 8mm. And again, just a popper at the bottom. Rotate it off. Back with your 10mm spanner, or socket set I should say. Take this one all the way out. Now repeat for the other side, 8mm first. Rotate that off. Change over to 10mm. Take the bolt fully out. Then we're going to rotate the seat. Like so. Just remember there's a clip to the front like that, and one on the petrol tank, and of course our two fixing points at the back. So if I seat now off, you'll see this little black box here, just kind of on top of the mudguard. Got a tab over there on the left hand side of the bike. Open it up and you've got three 15 amp mini blades. So close it on, it should turn the lid, 15 amp spare, 15 amp fan and 15 amp lamp. So they're your fuses for the bike. And then finally there's one more fuse just hidden in here, and that's the one for the starter relay. And just take this one Phillips head off, just next to the battery here. Put it off, and then there's a 20 amp fuse just down there. That's a standard blade fuse, unlike the ones in there which are the mini blade fuses. Just cover that back over. Now this is your battery here, so I'll now show you how to take that off. First off, always take your negative terminal off first. Take the bolt out fully and just try to keep those away from the battery. Positives over here. Again, take it off fully, hook it out of the way. And what you'll notice, there's just a holder on the left hand side of the bike. Pull the pipe out, got a Phillips just down the bottom there. Take that off and then put that to the side. You'll be able to pull out this cover. Now you'll actually be able to take the battery fully out. So this battery is a B14L-A2 and it's a gel type. It's 12 volt and 14 amp hour. So looking at the top, you've got positive terminal on the left and negative terminal on your right. And to put the battery back, just slide it straight in, make sure none of the cables get snagged, as far as you can go. Cover back on, going underneath the cables. Put the breather pipe back on, doing up the Phillips head. And just clip that breather pipe back in there. Making sure the terminals are nice and clean. Get the positive terminal back on first. Get the red rubber boot over as far as you can. Then get the negative terminal back on. Now what you'll notice is I've got a little auxiliary cable here. This goes to my USB charger. Making sure neither of them are loose. Then start to put the sides and seat back on. So we're going to slide in, slide up the tank, make sure it's located down. 10mm bolt back in. Get a side panel, rotate that under the seat, push the clip back in first. Swap to your 8mm and repeat for the other side. Get in position, rotate it under the seat, pop the middle popper in, your two 8mm bolts from earlier. If you found that video helpful, please check out my other videos on the KLR650 or indeed any of my other videos I've got on my channel. Please give me the thumbs up and subscribe.